Hi friends, welcome to my X Journeys. It's Mrs. Wine again, and today obviously we're unboxing the part 2. If you have not yet watched my previous video about the Tux unboxing, how I got the 55% off, greatest deal ever, I will put the link above and in the description box below. And you guys will notice the part 2 we're focusing on the Roger Vivier. So please keep watching until the end, and if you like today's videos, please don't forget, give me a big thumbs up, okay? So just for your information, 2 out of these 3s are actually still available in department store, and I will show you guys in a little bit which one are those. But anyway, so without further ado, let me just unbox the first one. And with Roger Vivier, of course, it always comes with a dust bag, which is very nice. Especially, you guys know that I do a lot of business travel, so these dust bags really helped me. Okay, so they actually also have like a logo kind of dust bag for individual for some reason, which is very nice. And this is their classic. So this is their classic Belle Vivier. So it has like a little bit of heels here. I think it's around like 1.5 to 2 inches, which is not really tall. It's perfect for me, and I really like I really like their classic buckles. You know, like now they actually have one that it's like the other way around, kind of. I like this version better for the most part, especially when it comes with, you know, heels or their classic flats. So I'm in size 37, and this is leather, right?
Yeah, it's a leather sole.
So the whole thing is leather sole, and you see the bottom, it's very nice and shiny. And here's I mean, if you know Hermes, we call this a gold color. So this is like brown color. So this is leather sole on the bottom. And you know what? This can be very slippery. And recently I watched some, you know, YouTubers videos, and they actually put some Protect on the bottom, which now I'm considering. I think it's really, really smart. So I will probably look into that, and then if I ever get it, I will probably film another, you know, review for you guys and see if it's really recommendable, at least how I would think. And this color is a caramel, and of course it looks very similar to, you know, the Hermes Go. So I can see myself wearing this like not only to work, but then if I need to dress up or whatever, to carry my Hermes bag. I think this is, you know, it's also a neutral color, so I love it. And I will show you guys as a pair. So this is obviously on the left side. So this is one of the styles that I got that is still available at the department store. And so the original price that's listed on the website, as you're seeing right now, it's $775, and of course I didn't pay a full price because at San Francisco they have Roger Vivier outlet store, and I pay $348. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, I think so. It's an awesome deal, right? So I'm gonna put this on the side right now, and I'm gonna unbox the other one and see which one. So let's do it. Oh, here's a little card this time, and another dust bag. Oh, okay. This is probably my new favorite shoes. So this is a sandal, but with a little bit of heel at the back. Okay, I'm gonna the other side. Okay, I really like this style. I'm telling you guys, this is like, I never thought I would like it. I just picked it up and I saw, because I just mentioned earlier, I don't really like their new buckle. But with this one, I think it looks really cool. So this is still a leather sole, and with this one particularly is I'm wearing 37.5, and this is what they call the Bianco Tres Player. The Bianco means white and transparent mean these transparent, which is very nice. Like, to be honest, normally I wouldn't pick something that has transparency, and you know, I just think these wouldn't look good on me. And Mr. Y was saying that I don't know about with the heels, you know, like he wasn't sure when I picked this up actually until I wear it. And then Mr. Y was like, oh, actually you can carry it, it looks good on you. And you know what, the reason why this one has to be 37.5, it's because if I wear the 37, the heel at the back would actually be too much inside. This one, it's like right with where my feet is, so like I land right on it, so it's like a perfect size for me. And we were talking about like, oh, am I going to be able to wear this, you know, a little longer, whatever, because it's summer, right? Summer's coming, and obviously we'll be wearing more sandals than the regular shoes. So this is a very supportive heels, I have to say. If you can tell, this is like a A shape, and surprisingly, I can see myself walking this for an hour or so. And it's not one of those like pointy heels. So as I was wearing it, I'm like, oh, this is great. And of course we were worrying about the front and whatnot, but because of design, it's meant for you to bend. So it actually have a little curve on the buckles, and I love it. I just love it. So this pair is still available at the department stores. So the original price of this is $875. So yeah, it's still available at the department store. And of course, I didn't pay that $875, and at the outlet store, I got it for $390. Isn't that amazing, guys? So if you guys really think I got a great deal for these two shoes, like almost like a 55% off, I think I really deserve a big thumbs up, right? So if you agree, please hit the like button below, okay? And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, not to brag about it, but my channel does talk about, you know, not about these brands, but mostly about Hermes, if you have not yet noticed. So then if you want to know more about Hermes or other luxury items, you don't want to miss out any of my videos. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my future videos. Yes, I'm not done unboxing yet. Yes, Mr. Y at the back were like, what are you talking about? Well, but then you know what? These two deserve a big likes, right? Anyways, I think I'm going a little crazy. Anyway, so this is the last but not least that I got from Roger Vivier this time, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Another dust bag. This is the one. It's like we both fell in love with it, and I was debating for like a good amount of 15 minutes between colors. Yeah, I got a sandal. So yes, I got this sandal with their classic crystal buckles, the small ones. And this is in size 38, and of course everything is still a leather sole. And yeah, you'll be wondering, why am I having 3 different sizes? Yes, in fact, it would be very nice if they have this in 37.5. And I did mention earlier that I was debating between colors because my essay also let me try it on the black one, which I was, you know, it was like perfect size and everything. But then we're like, well, white actually looks very good. And I am looking for like a white sandal like this because I don't have one. So, but anyways, of course, it's different type of white. This is off-white. This is more like a creamy creamy white. So yeah. But anyway, so this is very, very nice. We were like, you know what? Don't get the black one, get the white one. Even though it's slightly bigger. And now I just remember how my essay told me a few months ago when I first visited the store. She was like, yeah, how miracle it is. Like, people would get like a slightly bigger or slightly smaller, you know, even that's not the regular size. And I was like, really? Yeah, back then that's what I said. But you know what, this time I am like doing the same thing for all three type of shoes, right? Because this one is 37 and this one is 37 and a half and this one is 38. So it's like, I don't know. But to me though, it really depending on the style of shoes, because yes, you can say, okay, for heels, it makes sense that I'm in 37 because you need to break in and it does loosen a little bit. As for this, if it's 37, for real, if it's 37, I actually would think it's too small for me. So this one actually fits perfectly. But yes, I'm usually in between 37 and 37 and a half. Occasionally, I'll be wearing 38, depending on the brand and the style. So for this one, it's not really too bad if I wear 38. So, and it's a sandal. Come on, it's a sandal. It's not like a regular shoes with something covering your heel. So in that case, I think I should get something what I like the most perhaps, and this is not a 39 or 36, so I can take it, right? Would you guys agree? Do you guys shop like me, you know, going crazy with sizes? If you do, please let me know and share your story down below, and you have, you know, collect the same brand but different sizes. Okay, so now we talk about pricing. So normally, because this shoes, it's not currently available at a department store. So normally with Roger Vivier, if the buckle it has a crystal on it, normally this shoes, it has to be over $1,000. There's no brainer. I was expecting, you know, very expensive, and I got it for, wait for it, I got it for $588. Yep, you heard it right, $588. Well, at this particular outlet, they actually do offer you, if you buy 2 shoes or more, you get additional 20% off. I think it was listing like 700 something, and then because I got 3 shoes, and obviously they give me additional 20% off. So this is just for info. I don't know, is it really always there, but these past 2 times that I went to Roger Vivier outlet, they actually the same promotions. And this time when I went was actually at Easter weekend, so maybe that's why, I don't know. So you guys have, if you guys ever stop by that outlet, you know, then you guys can see what the special it's going on, but that was the deal that was going on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So just a little sneak peek, Mr. Y and I will be going to Las Vegas, and of course I'll be wearing these shoes, especially these two, to Vegas. And if you guys like me to film another vlog, please comment below and let me know, because I'm not sure how much you guys like my San Francisco vlog. So that if you do, you enjoyed it and you would like to watch more, you want to watch my vacation vlog, please comment below to let me know. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, especially if you enjoyed today's video, right? And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my future videos. And with my next video, I am, of course, thinking about another video about Hermes. Not necessarily an unboxing videos, but I will probably give you guys more of a strategy takings and some bags reviews. If you like these contents, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!